Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to join the Payday 2 Steam group. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser on your computer. This can be any browser you prefer, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Once your browser is open, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll want to type in Payday 2 Community Group and then press Enter. This search query will help you locate the official Steam community group for Payday 2, which is where all the action happens and where players gather to discuss the game, share content, and stay updated on news. After pressing Enter, you'll see a list of search results appear on your screen. Look through these results carefully and click on the one that says Payday 2 Official Group. This is the verified community group for the game, so make sure you're selecting the correct one to ensure you're joining the legitimate group with all the active players and official announcements. Once you click on the group link, you'll be taken to the Steam community page. If you're not already logged into your Steam account, you'll be prompted to do so at this point. Go ahead and enter your Steam credentials to log in. This step is necessary because you need to be signed into your account to join any Steam community groups. After logging in, you'll land on the Payday 2 official group page. Take a moment to look at the upper right panel of the screen. Here you'll notice a button that says Join Group. Click on this button to officially become a member of the community. By joining this group, you'll gain access to group discussions, event announcements, and the ability to connect with other Payday 2 players. It's a great way to stay involved with the community and get the most out of your gaming experience. And that's it. You've successfully joined the Payday 2 Steam group and can now engage with fellow players and stay updated on everything happening in the community. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.